Hello guys, this is Avcore. We're gonna finish this last mission for today, Arcane Explosion. We'll see what's going on, man. We'll see what's going on. So, oh, we get to kill somebody. So, Vines, we get to kill somebody. Alright. Magic damage. Super effective against flyers. Oh, that sucks. Alright, so I guess the way I'm looking at it, because summons arcane entity to the battlefield, immune to melee damage reduction, passive skill silence. Okay, so he's immune to a bunch of crap. He deals AoE damage, and if he's next to spawns, he gets stronger. So we're gonna use Bozel anyway, because I want to use Bozel, because I like Bozel. So we'll be able to drop defense. Alright, so we'll do that. Yeah, well, what's his hardest hitting troop right now? Yeah, let's use Skeleton Knights. Alright, so let's use the Empire. Because I really want to have an excuse to use Florentia, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to use him. Alright, so we confirm that. So I need 2 DPSs. So Elwin's the man for the job. Elwin's the man for the job. She's going to do some DPS. Who else? And Leon's the man for the job. He's going to do some DPS. So Leon's the man for the job. They're both going to do DPS. Bernhardt's going to help him. This guy's going to keep attacking. Yeah, this is it. Let's get it done. Yeah, she got her what she needs. Let's get it done. This skill's going to be like super good. Because we're going to be killing spawns, obviously. Let's see what this guy does. AoE damage taken by all units increased by 50%. Ignores immunity upon death, heals units. So you can heal, buddy. So we got this skill to stop you from healing. We got this skill to stop you from healing. Let's go all the way offensive with our Elwin. Then again, this is a good skill for Elwin. Alright, so we'll keep that. We'll keep that. Keep them nice and, yeah, we'll keep all this. Let's get it done. Alright, as usual, we're just gonna, your boy's gonna come up here and do his thing. What is this? What's the status effect? Let's wait. What's the status effect on me? Oh, that sucks. But he's got it too, so. Yeah, he's got it too, so. Alright, let's get it rolling. And let's see if your boy here can do his thing and kill the slime. Alright, so he kills the slime. Might have did something dumb there. Alright, so that's cool. So nothing happened. Alright, so let's go with the stronger skill real quick. So Irons has high magic damage. So we're not going to use a skill because he can't be healed right now. So we're just going to... we might as well use it. So we can get more damage. We're gonna take a hit right here, so we might as well. We need this guy to have more move. Alright. Let's see how much damage Ainz does. Hope he doesn't kill us. Oh, that's a lot of damage. Wow. That sucks. That sucks. Wow, that sucks. Oh, yeah, buddy, you can't even attack. You gotta heal. Wow, we got toasted. I was like, super toasted. We got toasted. Man, we got toasted. Holy crap. We got toasted. Oh, that sucks. Ainz can't be healed. Nice. Let's go ahead and let Bernie kill this guy. Let's make sure Ainz can't be healed again. Alright. You need to heal yourself, and we'll get the boy here. There's probably a more efficient way to do this map with another party, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do it my way and use Empire. So that's how I feel. Alright, so that's done. Use advanced teleport. Let's see how much damage he does. Man, he does a lot of damage. Wow, that's a lot of damage. Holy crap, that's a lot of damage. Man, I got ripped apart. But I got low magic defense unit, so come on, like, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Alright, so let's go ahead and kill this guy. Let's get healed right here. We should be able to get healed right here. Alright. Alright. So we need to actually heal this guy up. Yeah, we need to again this guy so he can heal us. Because we're in desperate need of healing, man. Holy crap. So we'll again ourselves. Because we got toasted. Those AoEs are toasting us, man. They're getting freaking toasted. That might be a one shot or close to it. Damn. Alright. He's gonna do his thing right now. I was like, we almost got one shot at. Holy crap. What the hell? What the hell? You freaking destroyed. We got freaking destroyed. Yeah. Leon's better at attacking this. He's got the most mobility, so we're gonna let him do this. Alright. So Leon's gonna go down here. Elwin's gonna attack. This is your job, buddy. Alright, so Elwin's doing his thing. So Bernie's gotta do his thing. You don't need this AoE heal though. That's not required. Alright, so we're just gonna keep going. We might need healing, so we're not gonna even use that skill. We may should have used it. Damn, he took a lot of damage. Hopefully he doesn't get one-shotted. Let's see if he dies. He got close. He got close. Holy crap. Yeah. Yeah, we need to heal. Besides, she doesn't even have again. She doesn't have again ready. It's time to heal. Because we got toasted. We got freaking roasted. And you need HP, buddy. You got freaking roasted. And you're going to go over here and do your job. And kill this guy. You're going to do this. In fact, let's get that faction buff going. Now we can go over here and we're gonna guarantee this kill. Yeah, we're gonna guarantee that kill, buddy. Alright, so we're gonna let's go back. 1, 2. Let's get a full charge on this one, yeah. So we're taking care of Hines. He's getting down there. But man, he does a lot of damage to this party since they're so like they're cut for like magic defense. So we're getting like hammered. But this is gonna hurt really bad. Yeah, that hurt. Alright, so we're not worried about that. Yeah, we're gonna get healed first. Let me see his range. And 3 block span, huh? So Hines would get healed. Yeah, Hines would actually get healed. So we gotta stop that. We have something to stop that, so we're gonna stop that. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna come down here. You're gonna heal this dude. We're actually gonna. We actually got to kill this guy, and I think Bernie's gonna do that. We're gonna have Bernie do that. But Bernie's gonna get a mobility increase, so we need healing, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, that's done. Alright, so we do have to worry about this guy. Alright, so we're gonna heal. Actually gonna do this. Make sure you don't get healed. Bernie can't do it. Elwin can, so we're just gonna do it. So Hines doesn't get healed. This is gonna be bad. Weapon effects, man. So somebody's gonna get toasted. Alright, so we're just gonna attack. We're almost done, but somebody's getting toasted. That might be a kill. That's a kill. Alright. Oh well, the fight goes on. We're not worried. That's a 3 block ring. Hines can get healed. But we're gonna kill this guy first. Alright, so we got it again. And we're gonna use it. Because because we're gonna stop Irons from healing. So that again is going to Elwyn. You're gonna heal yourself because you might die. All right, so Elwyn's getting that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. This should do like 5. Oh, it only did 3. It doesn't matter. We're almost done. This wasn't that bad of a map. There's probably better ways to do it though. There's probably better ways to do this. I just did it the way that I wanted to do it. So that's gonna hurt. Yeah, that hurt bad. Holy crap. That hurt super bad. Wow. We're actually gonna stay in range then and get healed first, because man, that sucks. Excuse me. There's no need to use anything. We can use this in order to make sure he's healed up, but otherwise there's no need. So we can go over here and just get this kill and get her stacks up. So yeah, so this is GG really. This is I made a mistake. Not keeping my burn healthy, but he usually dies on these missions anyway for some reason. So but we got defense break, so this is almost like, yeah, we're almost done. So we'll go around here. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do that. So this will be the last turn. Let me see how many turns it took me to kill this guy. It took me 9 turns. That's not bad. Especially since Burn died. Because Bernie always dies. It's just his thing. Alright, so we're gonna... This is probably the killing blow, really. Probably the killing blow right here. Yep, that's it, man. We're done. Empire getting it done again. Thanks to Florentia and your boy here. This is the best archer in the game. This is the best archer in the game. Then your girl comes in this. This is damn. Yeah. So that's it, man. This is it. If you like my content, the like, share, subscribe button. I'll get back to you. I actually enjoyed this a lot. You know, it's nice to be able to use Empire to clear challenge maps. So I enjoy this a lot. So thank you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.